happy Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Wednesday around the world is hump day. The middle of the week. And so, I'm here to kick up your middle of the week. Let's spice it up just a little bit. If you are watching for the first time, my name is Ms. Drew. I am your hostess with the mostest. And right now you're watching MX Breaks, where I am about to give you all of the entertainment and lifestyle news fresh off the press. Now, in the next 5 minutes, I'm about to talk to you about Kwesi Arthur, who has expressed his desire to work with the Big Brothers Laycon. Yes, the winner. Also, the government has released an incentive package to the tourism industry. Meanwhile, Chrissy Teigen has been hospitalized for suffering during her pregnancy with some bleeding. Now, let's start with rapper of the year, Kwesi Arthur, who has also expressed his desire to work with the Big Brother winner, Laycon. Now, remember I told you that Laycon, whilst was in the house, noted that he loves Kwesi Arthur, and he also said that he wants to work with him. Now, interestingly, Kwesi Arthur has not only congratulated him for the win, but expressed the readiness to produce a banger. Another banger with him. And listen, you guys know Kwesi Arthur, I am a fan, and so I definitely cannot wait for this one. Listen, wishes do come true, guys. Do not ever lose hope. Put it out in the atmosphere, and if it is meant to be, it will be. Now, moving on, our Ghanaian artist Chatawale has actually finally made peace with Ibrah One. Now, if you recall, Shatta and the business mogul had a serious beef, which saw the both of them abuse and insult each other, mainly on their Snapchat handles. Now, however, in a new video, Shatta is together with Ibrah One. They noted that they are brothers and they are at peace. We like the fact that we are keeping the peace right now. I love this reconciliation that everybody is doing. Make peace, not war. Now, Shatta also noted that Ibrah One taught him how to make money. I need Ibrah to call my line and also teach me how to make some money, because your girl, I want to be balling, okay? I just hope that we don't wake up tomorrow and see another beef between the two. Like, we just can't have any more of those. Now, the government has released various packages to partners in the tourism industry and workers in other businesses as part of measures to cushion them against the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the Minister of Tourism and Creative Arts, Barbara Oteng Jesse, the package is expected to assist tourism businesses to bounce back. Now, around the world, loads of people are trying to do these, helping business, but we need to be able to do it in a safe way, okay? So this particular package includes a 60 million Ghana cedis stimulus package to individual businesses and 50 million, I'm not saying thousand guys, million Ghana cedis to facility to support the media and creative arts industry. I hope that includes us. Now, others include a 3 billion facility to players in the hospitality industry, and a 5 million package for small and medium enterprises, those SMEs, and a 4 million Ghana cedis facility for other auxiliary operations. Now, this is good news. The creative industry, seriously, musicians, artists, you name it, they need maximum support right now. So I'm so glad that this is happening. Now, some unfortunate news. Nigerian musician Maydi has revealed that his marriage to his Swedish wife, Carolina, has ended. Now, the singer, who made the announcement via Twitter, said that he is happy to be single and free again. He added that he has been in a relationship for almost 15 years and thinks that it's best for him to spend some time alone. Now, the couple were engaged in May 2018. They got married in November and later welcomed a beautiful bouncing baby boy. Now, Maydi has not disclosed the exact cause of the breakup, but we can only wish them both the best on their separate journeys. It is important to take some time out to focus on yourself before you get back into another relationship. So I hope he really does take that time seriously. Okay, Now we've got a young Nigerian songwriter making waves, especially around the Christmas time, blew up in the Afrobeat scene, Rhema. But he has actually been ranting on Twitter about the struggles and frustrations that he's been going through. One of the revelations that caught people's attention was when he disclosed that he actually had to steal his friend's laptop in order to get some money to take care of his mother. Like, whoa. He talked about how people neglected him when he was on his deathbed, and he wrote about the woman who left him because he had nothing. Guys, he also mentioned that other artists feel that he owes them respect. Now, Rhema said people pretend to love him. He has made it, but hate him in reality. You know, a lot of people pretend that they're your best friends, but in real life, they're actually just hating on you. He didn't say any names, but, you know, we don't actually know what led to his ranting, but yo, my guy has been trending on Twitter. A number of artists have reached out, reacted to his rants. Burna Boy, in a tweet, assured Rhema that he could fall on him for assistance anytime. And I love that brotherly love. We need more support, helping people up, pulling people up in the creative industry. Also, model and TV personality Chrissy Teigen has been hospitalized in Los Angeles after suffering bleeding during her pregnancy. Chrissy is expecting her third child with her husband, John Legend. Now, due to complications, she was admitted to hospital and her latest pregnancy has been ruled as high risk. Chrissy is sharing updates on her health complications and revealed that she has been bleeding for almost a month. Oh my goodness, guys. Now, the 34-year-old has disclosed that she has been directed to bed rest. And she added that though her placenta is very weak, her unborn child's health is intact. Glory, hallelujah. Well, both of her previous pregnancies have been, IVF. So we wish her all of the best, honestly. Now to lifestyle. Y'all know how much I love a little bit of lifestyle. Now, if you feel like you need any reason to add bananas into your diet, because there's so many people that don't like bananas, I don't know what's wrong with you. But here are some incredible benefits for eating bananas. Number one, it has high fiber content. The fiber has a tendency to actually slow down digestion and keep you feeling full for a longer time, which is why bananas should be included in your breakfast. All of my ladies that are trying to keep fit, look trim, add bananas for breakfast. It will help us to not feel as hungry later on. Number two, banana is also good for your heart. Not because it's going to help you find love quicker, but according to a study done by University of Leeds in the UK, increasing the consumption of fiber-rich foods such as bananas can lower the risk of both cardiovascular disease and coronary heart disease. Yes, it is good for your health. Number three, if you're still looking for more reasons, banana is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals such as potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, lots of them. Folate, listen, B6, guys, I know you don't need me to keep going, but it is full of plenty of vitamins that you can't find on the local shelf. Number four, banana also helps blood pressure, okay? So they have a low salt content, high potassium content, and these properties contribute in making it ideal for suffering from high blood pressure. What more do I need to add, guys? Add a banana a day to keep the doctor away. Hey! Guys, that is it for today's lifestyle. I go by the name of Misery.